Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see the performance of the demo call that I had given, the performance of the demo call that I had given for today. It was a very special demo call. This demo call was given on a day of budget. So on every YouTube channel, almost every YouTube channel or Telegram channel, whenever you go and you see, you will find that all the analysts, every analyst in the market was giving his calls like future calls, cash calls or option calls on his channel in YouTube or in Telegram or on WhatsApp or all. So I had also given demo call on my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, my Facebook page and my Facebook account. So there almost more than 35 to 40,000 people, 35 to 40,000 traders have seen these calls, and I can tell you people, I was also watching almost 20 analysts. And I was watching the analyst on TV and all, and I can say these calls have come out as the best calls on budget day. These calls have become the best calls on budget day. Means Nifty call has doubled, Bank Nifty call has gone up 4 times, and Fin Nifty, the new index, that call has gone 3 times. We are going to see everything in detail, and I'll tell you, and I can tell you have not seen the performance like this today on any channel. So let's see what was the call given, and this was the call that was given at 9:22 p.m. on Sunday. The call was given one day before. Please understand, call was given one day before. So on Sunday this call was given. This was a positional demo call. This was a free demo call, positional demo call given on Sunday for 1st of Feb, and this call was supposed to hit the targets from 1st Feb to 4th Feb. So what was the call? See, if you know my channels and if already joined the channels, then you will find my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel, my Facebook page and my Facebook account. All these channels give free demo calls every week. These channels have been made only to give the demo calls, only to give the free demo calls. So if you go to my YouTube channel, if you just click the link below and if you check, you will find hundreds of the demo calls given. This was not the first demo call that is given. So this call was Nifty call 13,600, Nifty put 13,600. This demo call was given on Sunday night, and when this call was given, then the complete video was released, and in that video all the rules of trading these calls were discussed in detail. So what were the rules? Rules were something like, if call on Monday, if call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So puts did not cross the entry price. Nifty put, Bank Nifty put and Fin Nifty put did not cross the entry price. Only calls crossed the entry price. Nifty call 13,600 crossed the entry price. Bank Nifty call 30,600 crossed the entry price. Fin Nifty call 14,600 crossed the entry price, which you are able to see in the table of if break above. Nifty call 13,600 crossed 356. Bank Nifty call 30,600 crossed 709.56. Fin Nifty call 14,600 crossed 316.90. And then what happened? We'll check that. This was the video which was released on YouTube on this was flashed here into a Telegram channel also. If you click on this video, positional demo call week 1st Feb to 4th Feb, you will find all the rules in detail, the rules of entry, exit, hold, all the rules you will find in this video. This video was again released on Sunday on YouTube. Then I have updated, if you join this Telegram channel, the name of channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. The name of Telegram channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. But you need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. You need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search Sunil Pawar Option King, or if you type the link which you are able to see on the screen, you will find this channel. You need to check. There are 3,722 subscribers are there, and you will find my profile pic and my contact number everywhere. Now first we are going to see Nifty call 13,600. This Nifty call 13,600 entry was 356. Entry was 356, target 1, 2, 3, target 4, 5, 6. You can see, and you can see the stop loss also. Entry was 356. The entry was 356 and it opened at 288.90, made a low of 246, and then it kept on going up. If you see here, once it crossed 356, then it kept on going up, and it has hit target 1, target 2 and target 3, and day close is 753, which you are able to see on the screen. So friends, these calls were given one day before, and you can see in Nifty call, the entry was made very late. I mean, for almost almost first 2 hours, the call did not activate. The call did not activate means call did not cross the entry price, put also did not cross the entry price, and that way we were waiting for call or put anyone to activate in Nifty, and finally call activated, and that call has given target 1, 2, 3 and it has doubled. We can see that. Now we'll see Bank Nifty call 30,600. Entry was 709.56, hit target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, target 5 and then target 6 also, and it has gone up above the target 6 2, and it has hit 2821. Entry was 709, it has hit 2800, and day close was 2751, almost 4 times. You can see this. You can see open. See, these calls were given on Sunday. Mark this call option opened at 859, but then it made a low of 687. It made low of 687. What was the entry price? Entry price was 709. You can read here. Entry price was 709. It opened 859, made a low of 687 in the opening, and then it made 2800, 2821. Last price, close price was 2751. When this was updated at 350. So that closing previous price, that price is the closing price. So Bank Nifty call went up 4 times. And finally, last one, Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty call 14,600, entry at 360, hit target 123, hit 1214, day close 1214, tripled. So this entry at 360, you can see it opened at 362, low 353. 360 is not the entry price actually. It is not the entry price given. But if you see yesterday's video, it was clearly told that even if the trader has to buy any option above the entry price, a little bit of above the entry price, means not above the target, not above the target one, but above the entry price, little bit above the entry price, then he can buy one lot there and he can put other lot below the entry price, so that his average price becomes the entry price. So 360 was the buying and high was 1214, so that way it is doubled. It is not tripled, it is doubled. Now very interesting thing I would like to tell you, I was also watching. You can read here, I have checked 20 analysts today. My calls are the best option calls of the day of budget. This message I have typed here. Here this link, if you want to check, you can go to my Telegram channel and you can click on this pic. I don't want to click on that pic here, but that pic is one trader was trading, is a renowned trader. He was trading on YouTube live. And almost 5,000 traders were watching him live. He was doing trade. You can go to that YouTube channel. You can check that video. That video is still there. So he was trading. That video is 5 hours video. You can go check that video and you can go to the end of the video where you will find the result of that trade. So it was a live trading and the trader has made 7 lakh loss. You can, that video is still on that channel. Today that trader has made 7 lakh loss. I have checked other analysts also, and I have checked lot of analysts on TV and other YouTube channels also. I am talking about the people whom public is following. I am not talking about small traders or analysts. I am talking about the people whom public is following. This live trading session where the trader made 7 lakh loss was being followed by almost 7,000-8,000 traders. So that video was being watched by 7,000 to 8,000 traders live. So I did not understand that concept. Actually, lot of analysts on their channels and all in their trades, they were going short on the market. I mean, they were thinking market will fall down, and they were going short on the market. That I did not understand. I mean, what was logic behind that? I could not understand that. And actually they were writing calls today at a higher level. They were writing calls. I mean, and that too very illogical. I mean, I have also watched these live tradings and all. I did not understand the logic behind it. I mean, the people were not keeping the SL also. They were not following stop loss. I didn't find any proper stop loss there. No capital management, no trade handling, no trade management at all. And they were writing calls one after another, and then they were just watching their losses. So this type of trading will lead to nowhere, and all these people come to you and then they start claiming they are the best trader and analyst and something like that. But when they come live and they when they do the trades live, then everything is, the picture is very different. So actually, before joining any any trader or analyst, you need to check how many demo calls, free calls that person is giving, and what is the accuracy, and since how many days and how many months he is performing consistently. This is today's feedback about one client. Thank you very much, sir. You are godfather of option strategy. This is the feedback of one follower. Then there are different. This is also one of the and if you go to this YouTube channel, this is YouTube channel. If you go to this YouTube channel, Sunil Suklal Power, you will find hundreds of the demo call given, and accuracy, if you check, you will find nothing less than 90%. If you go to this YouTube channel, and you will find hundreds of the demo calls there, and you will also find the demo calls have been given on all the days. It is not that the demo calls are given on a particular day or something. Every week demo call is given. Market is range bound, market is trending, any news, whatever that day. Today, yesterday night, Sunday, demo call was given. Today it was such a big event of a budget, but the calls have performed like puts did not activate, puts did not cross the entry price, and only calls crossed the entry price. Here puts did not cross the entry price, only calls crossed the entry price, and they kept on giving target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So accuracy is extremely important, and accuracy in live market is most important, particularly in options. In option, before following anybody, you just check his live calls. See, I can make 5 calls, then if 2 calls are giving me profit, 3 calls are giving me loss, I will tear off the trade notes of those 3 loss making calls, and I will show I made this much profit in the calls. Like the calls which I am showing are the calls where I made profit, and I am not showing the trade notes of those trades where I made loss. So that type of tactics traders should not follow. I was personally feeling very bad when 5,000 to 7,000 people were following, and those people were passing the comments like, I read few comments like somebody lost 3 lakhs, somebody lost 5 lakhs, somebody lost. The people who were following, they were also trading same way. They were copying the trade. One comment I read like he made 14 lakh loss today. So this should not happen. I mean, before following anybody, you need to check what type of quality that person is carrying at all. And this was not happening with any one single person. This was happening with other many analysts also. Today people have lost heavily. Actually, I am telling you people, today people have lost very heavily. I did not understand this logic. Everybody was promoting short on market. I mean, everybody was saying market will go down, and that is something wrong. I mean, people have made heavy losses there. So whatever happens in outside market, we are least bothered about it. My followers, my subscribers, my paid clients have made huge profits today, and for that I am happy. This was the positional demo call which was given yesterday. Today intraday calls were also given to the paid clients who have joined intraday services, and there that call was given at 10:40, and after that market bounced, and that's why intraday traders, intraday clients also, they have also made big profit in live market calls. So friends, these calls, I can say these calls were the best calls in market on budget day. If you have seen any call better than this, where capital, in my calls, capital in Nifty call, capital has doubled. Bank Nifty, it is almost 4 times, and Fin Nifty, it is doubled. So if you have found that somebody has given better calls than these calls, then do comment in this video and do tell me who is the person or who is the analyst who has given better calls than these calls, because these calls were given on Sunday itself. So these were advanced calls. There was no issue on entry and everything. So you can comment about anybody who has given better calls than this. So thanks friends, I am waiting for your comments, and thanks for watching this video, and share these videos and channels with all of your friends so that they can also take benefit of these demo calls and this knowledge. Thanks friends.